Guys, I'm at the corner of Hayes Park Avenue and March Street in the Edison neighborhood, and as you can see behind me, the fire hydrant is open. Our eyes this week are on Tuesday. Why? We have that chance for severe weather, not just a marginal risk, a slight risk for severe weather. I'm checking our Severe Weather Center app and looking at live Doppler radar. We'll put on live Doppler radar right now, and you can still see plenty of blue. Within the next 20 minutes or so now, you can expect to see some of that light rain pushing in, feeling like fall, even though it's not officially fall.
22 days out.
Yes.
Right? 22 days
22
out.
days. We're looking really nice for West Michigan's Labor Day. This view thanks to our friends at Horizon Broadband. Your Labor Day forecast much better than what we had yesterday. I'm doing well, George, despite the fact we're looking at rain this morning. No worries. We are going to see some drier days ahead.
I love that.
That is awesome. And what is also awesome for everyone who is wanting some summer-like conditions, well, we'll have that for today. You might have been in your sweaters yesterday. Well, t-shirt weather for this afternoon. We're looking over Marshall right now thanks to our friends at Horizon Broadband, and as we look, if you're planning on going out and walking the dog, featuring our dog today, Nomi Joy, just have some rain gear on hand, maybe a rain jacket as we get into those later morning hours though. Probably before noon, that's when we're expecting to dry out just a bit and temperatures really start to warm up. In terms of live Doppler radar 100-mile scan, what are we looking at? Well, rain continues to push through Allegan County into Kalamazoo County as well, approaching Calhoun County. When we look closer at this, we do have some rain moving into Kalamazoo at the moment. Putting a track on this, we can expect to see that in Richland at around 7:02, and Battle Creek, you can expect that within the next 45 minutes or so. So again, this is moving east at about 26 miles per hour. Now we are expecting to see some drier conditions later this morning. As we continue throughout today, we'll see that cloud cover decrease, partly sunny skies expected around midday, and then we are going to be looking at so much sun that it's warming us up to about 84 degrees around 5 o'clock. But with the high humidity we're expecting, it's going to be feeling even warmer than that. Mostly clear skies stick around overnight, and then we'll have clouds roll back into the area for tomorrow. As we get into the early afternoon, that's where we'll see our first round of rain moving along and north of I-96, and then a cold front swinging in. That will bring some widespread showers and even a chance for thunderstorms late Tuesday into Wednesday morning, and we are going to be looking at some cooler temperatures thanks to that. But for today, rain this morning and humid conditions. Let's take you outside with a live look this morning over Allegan, where rain continues to move through, some heavy rain at times, but luckily not looking at any thunderstorms at the moment. We're just looking at some spotted showers. In terms of what we're looking at with our heat index, yes, heat index at the end of September. So 84 degrees around 4 or 5 will actually be feeling like 88 degrees because of that humidity. So just keep that in mind because it'll be feeling that way for tomorrow as well, because we're looking at mid-80s and muggy conditions. Following that though, because of the cold front, we'll have some cooler temperatures and finally some relief from that humidity as we get into midweek. Once we see that, it's actually going to be because of some cooler temperatures on the way, especially Friday. That's expected to be our coolest day of the week. But for your bus stop forecast, we're going to see some scattered showers and fog possible this morning, low 60s. By the time you get dropped off, it'll be feeling like summer, low to mid 80s, hot and humid. Now, as we look at your Maple Hill Auto Group 7-day forecast, we're going to be in those mid 80s today and tomorrow with the high, sticky, muggy conditions, but then we're going to be dropping in temperature rather quickly. 59 by Friday. Between Tuesday and Friday, a 26-degree difference.
Wow, yeah, really. The 62 on that Thursday, the bottom just dropping out.
Yes, it is quite the difference. And overnight lows will get into the low 40s. Some of our cooler spots could see 30s.
Oh.